Welcome to a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine owning your dream car, a Cadillac, a sleek Chevrolet, or even a Tesla Model X 2017, without breaking the bank upfront. Today, I'm taking you on an exciting journey to show you how to get a car you will love without the stress of full payment. Yes, you heard me right. Just a few $100s a week, and that beauty could be yours. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into this amazing opportunity that could change the way you think about owning a car. Here's how it works. You don't need a huge down payment or a perfect credit score. These programs are designed for people who want a car but don't have the cash upfront. You pick a car, whether it's a dependable Honda or Kia, a stylish Chevrolet, or even a luxurious Tesla. Then you agree to pay a weekly amount, typically $200 to $300 a week. Over time, these payments go toward owning the car outright. Think of it as a rent-to-own deal, but with a car. What's great is that some of these programs are incredibly flexible. You will sign a simple agreement, and in no time, you will be driving off in your own car. No big loans, no long waits, just you and your dream ride. Now, why is affordable and accessible? Now you might be wondering, is this really cheap? Absolutely. When you break it down, $200 to $300 a week is far less than what you'd pay for a new car upfront or even a lease with strict requirements. Plus, you don't have to worry about hefty insurance packages or hidden fees. For many people, this is the fastest, easiest way to get behind the wheel of a car they truly love. For instance, imagine driving this sleek Cadillac or a reliable Honda with just a small weekly payment. You get to build toward ownership while enjoying the freedom of having your own car right now. Let's take a closer look at some of the cars available in these programs. Whether you are into luxury, practicality, or eco-friendliness, there's something here for everyone. Cadillac. Classic, luxurious, and built for comfort. Perfect for long drives and making a statement wherever you go. Chevrolet. Dependable and stylish. These cars are perfect for families, professionals, or anyone who wants a ride they can count on. Tesla Model X 2017. The ultimate eco-friendly choice with cutting-edge technology and a futuristic design. A dream car for many. Honda and Kia. Reliable, efficient, and easy to maintain. These cars are perfect for first-time owners or anyone looking for a practical solution. Now let's talk about how you can get into this program. It's simple. Visit the dealership or company offering the program. They usually have a wide variety of cars to choose from. Provide basic details like your ID and proof of income. No complicated credit checks or massive down payments. Sign the agreement and pick up your car. Yes, it's that easy. Once you start making your weekly payments, the car is essentially yours to use and enjoy. Here's where it gets even better. You can use the car to make money to cover those weekly payments. Let's give you some ideas. Ride sharing. Use platforms like Uber or Lyft to earn money driving people around. Food delivery. Companies like DoorDash or Uber Eats are always looking for drivers, And then package delivery. Services like Amazon Flex can be a great way to make money with your car. And then we have car rental. If you are not using your car every day, rent it out on platforms like Turo to earn extra cash. And then freelance services. Offer services like grocery delivery, errand running, or personal transportation. With just a little hassle, your car can pay for itself and even leave you with extra income. Now let's look at benefits beyond even ownership. Beyond just owning the car, think about all the opportunities this opens up. Freedom to travel wherever you want, building a credit history through consistent payments, gaining a valuable asset over time. This is not just about getting a car, it's about upgrading your lifestyle. Take Maria, for example. She got a reliable care through this program, used it to start a delivery business, and within a year, the car was hers. Now, she's making extra income every month and driving a car she loves. Another amazing benefit of these programs is how they can help you build your credit and improve your financial stability. Consistently making those weekly payments doesn't just bring you closer to owning your car, it also demonstrates financial responsibility. Many of these programs report your payments to credit bureaus, which can boost your credit score over time. This means that while you are working toward car ownership, you are also setting up for better financial opportunities in the future, like easier access to loans or lower interest rates. It's a win-win situation, you know. You get the car you need now and you are investing in your financial future. Now let's look at the maintenance of the car. Worried about maintaining the car? Don't be. Many of these programs include basic maintenance services or discounted options as part of the deal. They want to ensure the car stays in great shape while you are paying for it. For example, some programs may offer free oil changes for the first year, discounted tire replacements to keep you safe on the road, 24/7 roadside assistance in case of emergencies. These added perks make the program even more attractive and hassle-free, especially if you are new to owning a car. Here's something many people overlook. Owning a car opens up opportunities to connect with others in your community. Whether you are volunteering for local events, starting a carpool to save on gas, or attending automotive meetups, your car becomes more than just a vehicle. It becomes a tool for building relationships and expanding your network. Imagine turning that Cadillac or Tesla into a conversation starter while contributing to your community in meaningful ways. So there you have it, a simple, affordable, and life-changing way to get the car of your dreams. Whether you are into Cadillacs, Chevrolets, Teslas, or Hondas, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Take that step today and make it happen. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, drive safe and dream big. See you in the next one. Bye bye.